Hi everyone, and welcome back to my course, How to Teach Your 3 to 7-year-old Maths Completely Screen-Free. Today, we're going to talk about almost probability theory, and the activity is called Lucky Scoop Thermometer. The materials that you're going to need for this activity is simply a bowl and then two colors of objects. You can use Legos, you can use pom-poms, you can use buttons, whatever you have at home, and then a scoop or a spoon. First, we start by building the bowl. The idea is that you put more of one color and less of the other color. Here I am using 7 pom-poms, 7 red pom-poms, and 3 blue pom-poms. And already, without even starting the scooping, the kid is exposed to mathematical expressions like more likely and less likely. And then I'm going to draw on a piece of paper a simple 3-level thermometer. So here we have the red one, and here we have the blue one. And I have marked them with these mathematical expressions: impossible, possible, and certain. And here again, impossible for the blue one, possible, and certain. Now we begin with a prediction. Ask your child, what do you think will scoop more often, red or blue? We shade one level to show our initial expectation. There's no right or wrong here. It's just a guess. So now we scoop. Whatever color comes out, we color one level on the thermometer like this. For example, if we get a red one, we color one level here. And if we get a blue one, we color a blue one here. So we keep going, scoop, count, color 5 or 6 times. So imagine we have 2 blues here, and then we have, like, let's say 6 red here's. Children quickly will notice the pattern. The color that appears more often climbs faster. The color that appears less often climbs more slowly. And then we talk about what happened. Why did red climb higher? Why did blue stay lower? The child discovers that the bowl itself, the numbers we started with, creates these outcomes. This is early probability taught completely through play. This activity is inspired by a wonderful book called Math from 3 to 7 by Alexander Zvonkin. It's full of playful mathematical stories and ideas for young children, and it has inspired many of the activities I use in my teaching. If you'd like more imaginative math ideas for your child, it's a beautiful place to start. And that's the Probability Scoop Thermometer, a simple, screen-free maths activity you can try anytime at home. Thank you for watching and happy learning.